Hey everybody, welcome. This is Karen Edwards and I am in the Roofers Coffee Shop booth at the International Roofing Expo 2023 in Dallas, Texas. And I'm excited to welcome Kurt from Spark Solar. Welcome.
Oh, thank you so much. Pleasure to be here.
So you're new, our club member to Roofers Coffee Shop, so thank you very much. And you have a very unique service that you offer. That's kind of what it sounded to me. It is like a service. So explain what exactly you guys do.
So basically, we are in the solar game for helping roofers process more claims. A lot of systems already exist out here, especially in the Dallas-Fort Worth area where we kind of specialize. And whenever hail hits, a lot of those houses aren't getting re-roofed because it's hard to find somebody that will take the system off and put it back on that operates as just a sub for the roofers. And that's the niche that we've decided to fill. So we have crews ready to come take the system off the day before you want to roof it, come the day after, put it back on, and you guys process the claims. We don't want to see your papers. We don't want to know what the insurance paid. We have our rates, and we want to operate as subs to help a lot of roofers be able to process more claims and take care of these customers that up till now haven't been getting taken care of.
That's such a unique and cool service to offer because really, roofers know roofing.
Yes,
They don't know solar. So if they see that, and you know what I noticed driving around, I have seen a lot of damaged roofs, and I've seen a lot of solar, and I've seen a lot of solar on damaged roofs. So that just proves the point.
It does prove the point. And with us doing the service for you, your crews aren't going to be bound up or taking longer on the job. You guys can still come in and roof it in a day. We'll show up before, take it off. We'll show up the day after, put it on. And your roofing crews get to do what they do, and that's just roof every day so that you guys can process more claims.
It's a win-win. Why wouldn't you call Kurt? So here's how you find him. You go to rooferscoffeeshop.com and you search for Spark Solar and you'll find their directory. That's going to have all the information that we just talked about. It's going to have how to get in touch. And why not? Because that's work out there for everybody, for you and the roofer.
Yes, ma'am. There's plenty of claims and we got plenty to share. So let's process all of them.
Awesome. Well, thank you for joining us.
Thank you,
and stay tuned because we'll be coming to you again.